Welcome back to my channel. If you are old here, thanks, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to design a church flyer using Adobe Photoshop. Without any further ado, then let's get started. Go to your file on the menu, then you click new to select a new document. Then use 1080 by 1080 pixels and ensure that your resolution is 300, and then you click OK to apply. So this is our working area now. So the first thing, go to your resource file and import the background. So over here, I'm going to import this background here, then scale it out. All right, then I'm going to apply Gaussian blur. Then go to your filter, select blur, then Gaussian blur, and make use of this number here, then 8.0. Then you click OK to apply it. Then now we are going to bring another image. So then import this image over here and scale it a little bit like this. It's okay. So after this one now, then we are going to apply your layer mask. Then after apply your layer mask, then select your gradient tool and blend the top here, blend it down, something like this. It's okay. So having done this one, so the next thing, then select the layer mask. So after select the layer masks, go to your brush over here, then you select it. You can increase the size, and we are going to apply it. Then make sure that you reduce your flow to around 50%. Okay, then you clean up the middle around here. Okay, so now increase your flow back to 100%, then you leave it this way. So the next thing we are going to do now, then we are going back to our resource file and we are going to import this one. So then reduce the size this way, then you drag it up like this, then you click OK to apply it. Then go to filter, select blur, Gaussian blur, then make it 3.2, then you click OK to apply it. So having done that, so the next we are going to apply a layer mask, then select your brush again, then reduce the size of your brush. Now we are going to clean the edges this way, something like this. Okay, then you can expand it by increasing the size this way, then you drag it, take it up this way. It's okay. Then so having done this one, so now before we continue the next, then let's go to our text and the church logo. So we are going to bring this church logo, then reduce the size, something like this. Then go to your text, and over here we are going to make a copy of it. Ctrl plus C to copy, then select your text tool, Ctrl plus V to paste, then change the boldness, then over here then make use of medium, is okay, and reduce the space to 5%, reduce it. All right, then now we are going to increase it to 5%. For the space is too much, then make it 4%. Okay, then go back to your text tool, then and apply center alignment. Now take it over here, then hold your shift key while you select the logo, then apply vertical alignment to centralize it. Then you can bring it and position it around there, so ensure it's at the center of your design. Okay, so now then we are going back to our background over here, then and import this one over here, then take it up this way. It's okay. Now then we are going to apply layer mask, then select your brush and we are going to brush over it this way. Increase the size so that you can see it by zoom in. Then we are going to clean up this area around it. Just be careful so that you will not clean up the main subject. Okay, so something this way, so this is what we need. All right, so having grade this one like this, then the next, now we are going to continue with our text before the other background. Then copy this one, Ctrl plus C to copy, then select your text, then Ctrl plus V to paste, and we are going to copy the color code here. So this is the color code we are using over there. Then select your font color, then Ctrl plus V to paste. All right, now increase the size. Okay, it's okay like this. Then select your text tool, and over here then we are going to make it bold. Something like this is okay. So then go back to your text, and now we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl plus C to copy, then duplicate this one. Ctrl plus J to duplicate, then you drag it down, select your text tool, Ctrl plus A to highlight all, then Ctrl plus V to paste. Now the font you are going to use on this one is Bebas fonts. All right, so then go to your font here to select Bebas font. So this is Bebas font. Okay, then go to your character spacing, and we are going to minus it by 100% to close the gap there. Then increase the font size like this. All right, then hold your shift key while you drag it down this way. Okay, all right, so having grade this one, so the next, then go back to your text. We still have to do on that one, but we are going to leave that one for now. Let us continue with this one first. Then theme, then for the theme I'm going to duplicate this one. Ctrl plus J to duplicate, then you drag this one up. Now bring this one down, select your text tool, Ctrl plus A to highlight, then Ctrl plus V to paste. Now reduce the font size, then position it somewhere around here. It's okay. Then go back to your text, then make a copy of this one. Ctrl plus C to copy, And now we are going to select our text tool, then Ctrl plus V to paste. Then we are going to make it more bold than by using black. And here we are going to copy the font color we use, Ctrl plus C to copy. Then select your font color, Ctrl plus V to paste. Right, now drag it over here and increase the size like this. Okay, then go back to your text document and make a copy of this one, Ctrl plus C to copy. Then select your text tool, Ctrl plus V to paste. Then bring this one over here and increase the font size. All right, so now we are going to select our rectangle. Then you draw a rectangle line over here. Then using the same color, I'm going to reduce this text. Hold your shift key while you select it and reduce it this way. Now select the rectangle and adjust it. Okay, then having done this one, then we are going to create a rectangle shape like this. A little bit increment is okay. Then having done that by increasing the size, so I'm going to also select this one. Hold your shift key while you select it, then and I'm going to adjust it then by bringing it back so that it will be in line together. Okay, then I'm going to change the color of this one to this color. Reduce it a little bit. Then I'm going to duplicate this one, Ctrl plus J, or you drag it to your new layer over there, then to create it. Now I'm going to copy my text over here, Ctrl plus C to copy. Then select your text tool, Ctrl plus V to paste. Now I'm going to reduce it to bold, then position it inside here and reduce the size. Okay, then I'm going to duplicate this one, drag it over here, or Ctrl plus J to duplicate it, and I will bring it down over here, then reduce the size. All right, then go to your text document and make a copy of this one, Ctrl plus C to copy. Then select your text tool, highlight it, Ctrl plus A to highlight, then Ctrl plus V to paste. Then remove it from center alignments to left alignments. Then position it in your rectangle and reduce the font size. hold your shift key while you select the rectangle, then apply vertical alignment to centralize it and horizontal alignment to centralize it. Okay, so something this way. Then this rectangle, I'm going to use the arrow key then to adjust it. So then the last test there, I'm going to make a copy of it, Ctrl plus C to copy, then select your text tool and Ctrl plus V to paste, and change the color to this color we are using over here. Then we are going to remove it from bold to medium. Now reduce the font size this way. Make it 100%. Now Ctrl plus A to select all, or go to your select on the menu, then you select all, then apply vertical alignment to centralize it, then go back to select and deselect. So then you will have something like this. All right, so let's continue. Having done this one now, so the next I'm going to do, then go back to this background over here, then go back to your resource file, and now I'm going to bring this one, then reduce it this way. So having reduced it, then I'm going to select all this one now by grouping them one by one. Then I'll turn this one off. The text, and I'm going to select it, then Ctrl plus G to group, then the theme down to here, then including this one, then you group it. Now select this one, use your arrow key then to move it up. Now turn this one on, this one the text, then we are going to use our mouse now then to bring it down like this. All right, then this one we are going to use our arrow key then to move it up, then the background, then drag it up, the church logo, reduce it. Okay, so now for this one, then we are going to turn off this one for now so that we can work on this one. So the first thing now, I'm going to rasterize it, and after rasterizing it, I'm going to click on this eraser tool, then select this one and also change this one to discontinuous. Then I'm going to clean off the background. So having cleaned off the background, then it will give you a neat and nice job there. Okay, then I'm going to turn off this one now. So having turned it on, then I will reduce this one. Okay, then select the folder and use your arrow key then to bring it down this way. All right, so then now come back to this revival, go back to your resource file, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, then reduce the size, something like this. Then create a clipping mask by right click, then I click on creating a clipping mask. Okay, so having done that, then we are going to change the blending mode to soft light, and this is what you will have there. So now then we are going to going back to our background before the last one, so that it will not obstruct us. Then I'm going to drag this one 2025 into the group. Okay, then go back to your background over here, then and I'm going to import this background here. So having imported, then I'm going to reduce it this way. Then having reduced it, now apply your layer mask and select your brush, then increase the size of your brush a little bit, not that much. Then we are going to clean off this one, clean it off. So reduce the size, so just be gentle while doing it, something this way. Okay, something like this. Then change the blending mode to overlay, increase the size, then go back to this one and reduce the size, bring it down, then increase the size of this one, something like this. Then the last one, then come over to our text here and go back to your resource file, then bring this background here, then we are going to leave it at this position. So this one I'm going to change it to overlay. I'm going to change this one to overlay, then apply your layer mask and select your brush. So over here, then now I'm going to clean it off here. Then I'm going to reduce the flow to around 27. Then why I will clean up this place a little. Okay, then I'm going back to this background I changed to overlay. So it's not supposed to be overlay. Then what I need to do is to apply blur. So go to your blur, Gaussian blur, then and make it 6.6, then you click OK. So this is what it will give me. Then I change it to overlay instead of the last one I did. So now this is what you will have over there. I'm going to turn off this one, then come to this one, adjust it. All right, then turn it back. Now then this is what we have here. Then I'll go back to this text here, then I'm going to apply a drop shadow. Then go to your FX, then go to your drop shadow, then adjust this one. It's okay like this. Then go to your second text and apply a drop shadow, then reduce the size for, then this one can make it this one 3, then this one 2. Okay, something like this is okay. Then you click OK to apply it. All right, then go to your text here, then use your arrow key then to bring it down a little so that there will be space between the two. So that is all about the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like.